Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll be teaching you how to fix WhatsApp voice message sound problem. When WhatsApp voice messages have no sound or low audio, it can be caused by volume settings. It can be caused by volume settings, sensor issues, or just app glitches, and this problem may prevent you from clearly hearing voice notes. This guide will walk you through how to fix WhatsApp voice messages sound issues on your mobile device. To begin, unlock your mobile phone and open the WhatsApp. Play a voice message and press the volume up button to increase media volume. Make sure your phone is not in silent or vibrate mode. Check if the sound works with other apps like music or videos. Clean the earpiece speaker area to remove dust or blockage. Move the phone away from your ear to ensure it uses the main speaker. Restart your mobile device. Then go to your phone settings app, tap apps or apps and notifications. Go to all apps. Find and select the WhatsApp. Tap the storage and cache, then tap the clear cache. Update the WhatsApp from the Google Play Store if an update is available. Then if the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. Then back up the chats first. Tip: voice messages may switch to the earpiece if the proximity sensor detects your face, so keep the phone slightly away while listening. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.